Giggleswick School's a boarding school from junior school all the way through till sixth form, and it's located in Settle in Yorkshire.
Envoplan helped us design and fit out Knoll boarding house. This was a major investment for the school and was very important to us, and one of the things that we really wanted was wow factor in terms of getting bang for our buck.
What we wanted to do was really make boarding fit for the current generation of boarders. So we came up with what we felt was a new model of boarding that stretched across 3 boarding houses, and this is really just the first phase of that.
It's also a listed building, so we've got to be respectful of the heritage of the building, respectful of the heritage of the school, but bring a modern angle to that.
We've managed to keep the identity of Knoll House whilst completely reinventing how the students engage with the house.
It was great to have Envoplan on board in order to help develop some of those ideas and really give us some insight into some of the design angles that we could bring to the house.
Envoplan took the vision that we had and basically made it a reality.
So one of the great things Envoplan did was run design workshops with the pupils who were going to be the end users of the boarding house.
I wasn't expecting it, but I think it was a very good thing of them to do, because after all, the students live in this accommodation.
Because it's my final year, they were sort of looking at us a little bit less and more towards the younger years.
Having the input from the younger students especially gives it a sense of uniqueness.
Just little corrections that would make it better for us to live here.
Essentially what we wanted to do is try and replicate a lot of what you get at home in a boarding house, and it's pretty clear that most homes revolve around the kitchen being the heart of the home. So we've opened up a lot of the space at the centre of the house, and this has had an immediate impact upon the lives of the boys, who are enjoying the space but interacting much more across year groups in it as well.
I use the common room for meeting with my mates in the evenings. It's a really good social space.
Food, making toast and having a snack, quick chat.
I use it to make toast and to relax with friends.
In my opinion, the favourite space is the games room. I think it's the best because it allows all the year groups to sort of connect.
Boarders and day pupils to mix together.
They want to make it feel like we're at home, so everything feels normal and comfortable.
I think we've created a very homely place here.
Reminds me of home, yeah, for sure.
As a boarder, you kind of need that home away from home. We obviously all like the new space because it's just much better than the old.
I think the new space is a wonderful living space. It accommodates both the work and play, and it balances it perfectly.
This is my first year here, and so to come into just like a nice new environment and watch everyone sort of adapt to it at the same time. It's quite nice.
I think it's made it a lot easier to learn, because the rooms are a lot more practical to use.
The atmosphere is a lot more vibrant. There are lots more people doing lots more different things.
What we've worked to develop is dedicated spaces for living in the day, for working and for sleeping as well.
My favourite space in Knoll would have to be my room. It's just a great place for me to get away and have my own headspace.
So you relax upstairs and you work downstairs.
I feel happy that I'm in the first house to get redone, and I just really like it compared to all the other houses.
It's also given us a template for the future, rolling through the whole of the boarding house into the 2 that are adjacent to here, but also for the other boarding houses within the school where we've seen that this style of boarding really works and the students get a huge amount from it.
In one word, I would describe it as cracking.
Modern.
Sensational.
Comfortable.
Sociable.
Welcoming.
Spacious for definite, and it's very friendly.
We've had nomination for the BSA Awards where they've commented on how it's a fantastic place to work, live and play. And we've also had the Yorkshire Post who've come in and said it's a groundbreaking transformation to the house.
I think it shows a commitment to progress and making it not just a place where you go to school, but also the centre of your community and of your life, more or less, especially if you're a full-time boarder.